Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Techno49. I hope everyone is safe. In today's video, I would be talking about how we can calculate call per hour. This is very important interview question that generally asked during the interview, so that needs to be, understood clearly. So I would request you please subscribe, share, like this video so that video can reach maximum people. And if you want to know more about workforce management related video, please subscribe to the channel Techno49. It is completely free. So to calculate the call per hour, I need to have three components. That is your AHT. I have taken 350 seconds, occupancy 85%, login hours excluding break 8 hours. So first of all, we have to calculate 8 hours into the seconds because all the calculations are done in seconds. So how we can calculate 8 hours into seconds? So that would be your 8 in 1 hour we have 60 minutes, so multiplied by 60. In 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So that would be the seconds we would be having in. This is based on the 100% occupancy, and we cannot expect all the agents to be occupied all the time 100%. There would be some fluctuations in the call coming pattern. So now we have to calculate that on the basis of 85%. So with the occupancy of 85%, one agent would be having 24480 seconds in 1 day, excluding the break, excluding any kind of available or idle time. So we are expecting one agent would be occupied with 24480 seconds in 1 day. Now we have to calculate one agent can handle calls. How many calls can be handled by one agent in 8 hours? So the formula would be, we have to open the bracket, then your 8 multiplied by 3600 bracket close, multiplied by your occupancy, and then divided by your AHT. So we have to be very careful while applying the brackets. So this would be the calculation we would be having. So I need to understand that one agent can handle 69.9 calls, approximately 70 calls in 8 hours. So I just want to find out that in 1 hour, how many calls can be handled by one agent. So that would be simply 69.9 divided by your 8. So 8.7, approximately 9 calls can be handled by one agent. So you can see that on my screen, I have taken some components. So the schedule count, I'm taking 200. Total head count is 230. Leave planned, which are planned in the roster. So that would be 10. Leave unplanned, that includes your absent, no call, no show, or any other absenteeism in which agents are not present in the office. So that we can take around 8. And week off, we have taken 15. So on the basis of these components, we have to find out what would be the planned shrinkage. So the formula for planned shrinkage would be your leave plan divided by bracket open your schedule count, which is 200, plus your leave plan bracket close. So 4.76 percentage would be your planned shrinkage, and your unplanned shrinkage would be your total leave unplanned. That includes absent, NC, NS, or any other absenteeism, divided by your schedule count. So that would be your 4 percentage. So the total shrinkage would be your planned shrinkage plus your unplanned shrinkage, 8.76 percentage. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share for more.